Welcome to how to connect two TP-Link routers to each other over the internet using a virtual private network. These are two TP-Link routers, TP-Link 1 and TP-Link 2. To connect the two devices over the internet, I use WireGuard VPN. First, I set up router 1. Follow these steps. I use a computer to set up each router. One nine two 168 1 1 Local password. Login. Advanced. I set up the WireGuard server on TP-Link 1. I use TP-Link 1 as a VPN server. Advanced. Network. VPN server. WireGuard. Enable WireGuard. Client access. Internet and home network. Allow clients to access the internet and local network. Save. Next, set up the client. Account list. Add. Username. Allowed IPs client. Allow all. Save. QR code. Because I set up the client on the router, I use the configuration file. File configuration. Export. Edit. As you can see, this is the address in the local network because TP-Link 1 is behind the ICE router. Therefore, TP-Link 2 cannot connect to TP-Link 1 via the internet. So I added some steps as follows. On TP-Link 1, I set a static IP address on the external interface. Internet. Assign a static IP address. I assign a static IP address to forward the port on the ICE router. Check the WireGuard port used. VPN server. WireGuard 51820. WireGuard port used. Next, I forward the port on the ICE router. Access ICE router. TP-Link 1 is behind the ICE router. Login. Port forwarding. Advanced setup. NAT. Virtual server. WireGuard protocol UDP 51820. Port 51820. Destination IP address. IP address on the external interface of TP-Link 1. Apply. Complete port forwarding 51820. Check public IP address TP-Link 1 uses. Public IP address. TP-Link 2 connects to TP-Link 1 using a public IP address. Edit configuration file. Update public address. Save. Continue with TP-Link 2. VPN client. Set up WireGuard client on TP-Link 2. I connect my computer to TP-Link 2. TP-Link 2. Access the management page. Enter the IP address of TP-Link 2. Local password. Login. Next, set up WireGuard client. Advanced. VPN client. Enable VPN client. Server list. Add a virtual private network server. Set up manually. To TP-Link 1 router. VPN type. WireGuard. Import config file. Browse to the configuration file exported from TP-Link 1. Public IP address. Save. The router prompts you to add devices allowed to use the VPN. Connected. Device list. Add this computer to the list. Save. Use diagnostic tool. Ping. TP-Link 2 has successfully connected to TP-Link 1 via the Internet. Next, I use some additional configurations to optimize usage. TP-Link 1. TP-Link 1's IP address. Local password. Login. Allow remote access to TP-Link 1 router via external interface. System. Administrator. Remote management. Enable. Save. Web address for management. In case of using a dynamic public IP address, you should use a dynamic domain name service. TP-Link provides a free dynamic domain name service. TP-Link ID. Password. Register a TP-Link account. Login. Network. Dynamic DNS. Register a dynamic domain name. Next, I set up a virtual private network connection using a dynamic domain name service. TP-Link 2. TP-Link 2. Disconnect. Disable. Edit. Peer. Endpoint address. Remove public IP address. Enter the dynamic domain registered on TP-Link 1. Enable. Connected. Next, I changed the default IP address of TP-Link 2 to avoid conflicts between devices. Network. LAN. Change local IP address. Save. OK. IP address changed successfully. The above is how to connect from one TP-Link router to another TP-Link router over the Internet using WireGuard. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the connection between the two routers using a diagnostic tool. Successful.